So find the equation of the hyperbola whose vertices plus or minus 2, 0, foci plus or minus 3, 0. In this case, both vertices and foci lies on x-axis here because y coordinates are 0, 0. If y coordinate 0, points lies on x-axis. Therefore, here foci and vertices lies on x-axis here. X-axis. Therefore, equation of the hyperbola is of the form. Equation of the hyperbola is of the form x square divided by a square minus of y square divided by b square is equal to 1 here. In this case, vertices are plus or minus 2, 0. Therefore, so vertices are plus or minus a, 0 is equal to plus or minus 2, 0. That compare it here. Therefore, the value of a is equal to 2 here. Then foci plus or minus e into e, 0 is equal to plus or minus 3, 0. Therefore, a into e is equal to 3 here. Here we want b value, so we know that here. So e square is equal to b square. Take here this formula, direct b square. A square into e square minus of 1 here. Take a square inside the bracket here. A square e square minus of a square here. Then this is equal to, here e into e value is a 3 here. So 3 square and e value is a 2, it is a 2 square here. Therefore, b square is equal to, so 9 minus 4 here. So 9 minus of 4 is equal to 5 here. Therefore, the value of b is root of 5 here. B is equal to root 5. Here b square is a 5 here. A value is a 2, b is a root 5. So use here. Take this one as equation number 1 here. So equation 1 becomes x square divided by a square here. A square, 2 square is a 4 here. Minus of y square divided by b square becomes a 5. That is equal to 1 here. So this is the equation of the hyperbola here. Second example, vertices 0 plus or minus 5 and foci 0 plus or minus 8 here. Here x coordinates are 0 here. Means points lies on y-axis here. Points lies on y-axis. Therefore, equation of the hyperbola is of the form x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to minus 1. It is a conjugate hyperbola. Therefore, vertices here in this case 0 plus or minus b here. That is equal to 0 plus or minus 5 here. Therefore, b is equal to 5. B is equal to 5. Then foci. So 0 plus or minus b into e is equal to 0 plus or minus b into e value is 8 b is equal to 8. Then use the formula a square is equal to b square into bracket e square minus of 1 that is equal to b square e square minus of b square here. Therefore a square is equal to, so b into e is 8 here, so 8 square minus of, so b value is 5, it is 5 square here. 8 square is 64 and 5 square is 25. So this is equal to 39. Therefore here a is equal to root of 39. So using this equation is, therefore equation 1 becomes, equation 1 becomes x square divided by 39 minus of y square divided by p value 5, so it is 25 is equal to minus of 1. So this is the required equation of the hyperbola. This is a conjugate hyperbola. So third example here, foci plus or minus 5, 0 and the transverse axis is of the length 8 here. Therefore again x coordinate, y coordinate is 0, point lies on x axis here. Okay, here foci lies on x axis here. Therefore equation of the hyperbola is of the form x square divided by a square minus of y square by b square is equal to 1 here. Take this one as equation number 1. Therefore foci here, so foci plus or minus ae comma 0 is equal to plus or minus 5 comma 0. Therefore a into e is equal to 5 and the given length of the transverse axis is 8 here. Okay, and length of t axis, transverse axis here 2e is equal to 8. Therefore a value is 4 here. Therefore we know that, so for this hyperbola b square is equal to a square into bracket e square minus of 1 here, that is a square e square minus of a square, then a into e is a 5, so it is a 5 square and a value is a 4 here, it is a 4 square here, so 5 square is a 25 and a 4 square is a 16, so that is equal to 9. So b square is equal to 9. Therefore the value of b is a 3. Therefore equation of hyperbola, therefore equation 1 becomes, substitute here, x square divided by a value is 4, so 16 here minus of y square divided by b square is 9 here, that is equal to 1. So this is a equation of the hyperbola here. In this case, foci 0 plus or minus 13, and the conjugate axis is of the length 24 here. So here the point foci lies on y-axis here, y-axis. Therefore, equation of the hyperbola is of the form x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to minus 1. It is a conjugate hyperbola here. Then foci 0 plus or minus b into e is 0 plus or minus 13. They are given here. B is equal to b into e is 13 here. And the length of the conjugate axis is 2a is equal to 24. Then a value is 12 here. Then you know this standard result here. Take b square inside here. So a square is equal to b square a square minus of b square here. A value is 12 here. So 12 square is equal to b into e 13 here. So 13 square minus of b square. Take b square this side here, become plus b square. 13 square is 169 and 12 square is 144 here. Take 12 square right side here. Therefore b square is equal to 25 here. Therefore the value of b is equal to 5. Therefore equation 1 becomes x square divided by a value is 12 here. So 12 square is 144 minus of y square divided by b square is 25 here is equal to minus 1. So this is the required equation of the hyperbola. It is a conjugate hyperbola.